just gonna have a quick look at you. It sounds different, doesn't it? Yeah. You can still hear me though? You can understand the words I'm saying? 72, 78, 89, 4. Hey, are you the guy? You didn't bring anyone with you, did you? Okay, now listen. We can't be caught doing this, but I know you're in a pinch, and I know you need some help, okay? You've seen enough of these. You know how this goes. Let me get these gloves on here. Yeah, I've been doing this for a long time. I know some people need their hearing checked, but they don't want to go to the Capitol to do it. It's too expensive. So, they find me, and I do it for them for free. I'll give you the printout, I'll give you the credits, everything after we're done. So if you want to go get your ears fixed at the Capitol, you can. You just don't have to do the exam there, okay? Yeah. Yeah, I don't like how they have a monopoly either. So, I open my own shop back here. Okay. Before we start with the exam, I'm just gonna have a quick look at you. Just stare at the light here, okay? Yeah. Stare at the light. I'm gonna look in your ears here. I need to make sure you don't have any obstructions or anything like that going on. Okay. Yeah, you're doing good. Let me just look in the other ear here. Make sure you don't have any obstructions on this side either. Alright. Well, your ears look good. Did you hear that? Okay. If anyone else shows up here, I'm gone. Okay? I probably will not stick around to hang out with you. Also, if you get caught with the faulty papers I'm gonna give you, I never met you. I don't know you. Okay? Capiche? Yeah. Alright, let's get into it. I know I'm not super organized. I mean, look where we are. Yeah, I gotta undo the cords here. They get tangled up when I travel place to place. No, I don't stay in the same spot. That's how you get caught. Okay. Alright. I'm assuming you know how this goes. You heard about this? Okay. I'm gonna put these in your ears, okay? There's gonna be an audio test. These are gonna change your hearing, okay? You're gonna hear differently with these in. And we're just gonna run a few tests with them in, then we'll move to another set, okay? Alright, so I'm just gonna come in here. Yeah, just gonna get these in your ears. Okay. It sounds different, doesn't it? Yeah. You can still hear me though? You can understand the words I'm saying? Yeah? Okay, so here's how this is gonna go down. I'm gonna get close to one of your ears. I'm gonna say some numbers, okay? I need you to just repeat the numbers back to me, okay? Are you ready? We gotta go quick. We don't have a ton of time back here, okay? All right, so we have 3, 7, 25, 56, 42. Okay, good. That ear seems to be working fine with this set of headphones. Let's go to the other set. 13, 3, 26, 9, 19, 91. Okay, good, good. Okay, you seem to do fine with the numbers. Now I have this clicker here. We're just gonna do one ear and then the other, just like the numbers. And what I need you to do is, I'm gonna click this a number of times, and I need you to tell me how many times I clicked it in each ear. You got it? Okay, here we go. How many times? Good, let's do it again. How many times? Good, one more. How many times? Very good. Let's go to the other ear now. Need to make sure they're balanced, okay? So, how many times? Okay? Let's go again. How many times? Okay, let's keep going. How many times? Good. All right, well, this pair of headphones seems to have done you right. No issues with this one. Let's move on to the next pair. Now, this next pair looks a little odd. And I'm going to be honest with you. You know, the doctors at the Capitol won't tell you this, but this pair, it kind of feels uncomfortable in your ears, okay? But just tolerate the discomfort. We'll run the tests and get them out, okay? So I'm just going to put these in your ears now, okay? So just hold still while I get these in here. Okay. And just like before, you can hear me. You can hear the words I'm saying. Okay, I know, it sounds different. It's a little weird. But let's just get through the test, okay? We're going to start the same way with the last pair of headphones, okay? So I'm just going to do the numbers now, okay? And while I'm doing this, keep a lookout here. I don't want you see anybody walking behind me, let me know, okay? So I'm just going to come in close here and 46, 43, 31, 16. Okay, let's do the other ear. 72, 78, 89, 4. Good. Let's try some words out, okay? Just repeat back whatever word I say. Porcupine, club soda, concrete. That one's a little funky. Okay, let's try this side. Picture frame, dandelion, automobile. Okay. Just like before, you remember our friend here, Mr. Clicker. Tell me how many clicks on this side, okay? How many clicks? How many clicks? How many clicks? How many clicks? Very good. Let's do this side. How many clicks? Okay. How many clicks? Good. How many clicks? Okay. How many clicks? Okay. Well, that one was a little bit harder than the other one, but I think, you'll pass. You'll be okay for the exam. My friend, you're doing pretty good. We got one more set of headphones, okay? You ready? You don't really have a choice. We gotta get out of here, okay? Let's do the last set. Now, I'll warn you. This last pair is a little... It's the most intense one, okay? Again, just like the last one, might be a little uncomfortable, but we'll get through it together, okay? Let's just put these on your head here. Okay. There we go. All right. Yeah, this one sounds weird, doesn't it? Yeah, well, let's get right to it. 55. 79. You repeat that back. 47. Okay, that's a little weird. Let's try this side. 2. 13. 40. Alright, results are getting a little strange with this one. Let's do some words here, okay? Carpet. Bank vault. Fire extinguisher. Okay, that sounded fine. Let's come over here to light bulb. Wooden desk. Cellar door. Metal cabinet. Okay, let's move on to the clicker here, okay? Tell me how many clicks. Okay, how many clicks? How many clicks? And how many clicks? Let's try this side. How many clicks? How many clicks? How many clicks? How many clicks? Well, results were a little weird on that one, okay? They're probably going to mark you down as like a C- on that. They're going to ask you about it at the Capitol. Just tell them you were, exempt, okay? Tell them that you got an exemption on that due to a past injury, okay? And they shouldn't ask any questions, all right? But that one was a little weird, okay? Yeah. Well, we've hung out here a little too long. I'll get you your papers and get you out of here, okay? Yeah. I'm not always in this spot, obviously, but if you know any friends that need any of this on the cheap, just let me know, okay? Alright, well, I'll see you later, my friend.